Okay.
I missed one like this.
I don't know if that's
good enough. Right triangle.
It's never good enough.
Trying to make it parallel.
Oh, the median?
Yeah, I don't think I love parallel either.
It's horrible.
okay. Close enough. If this side, well, we've just learned all this through
Yeah.
our similar triangles, but we had another one that said if this median, which means it connects the midpoints of these two sides, we learned that there's a relationship between the length of this median and the side that it is parallel to. Do y'all remember?
It's half.
It's half. It's exactly half. So if this has a measure of 10, then the side parallel to it has a measure of 20. All right, and if I were to draw the median from here to there, then this, if it's 5, would be exactly half of the line that it's parallel to, right? So this would be 10. And then I could do the same thing again on the other side.
Wait.
Right. So,
We'll say this was 7. What would this be?
14.
14. Okay, it's because it makes two similar triangles. And the scale factor is 1 to 2.
Great.
Okay?
Great, Scott. Where'd you get 5? Oh, down low.
Yeah. Okay.
I wasn't looking.
And then we talked about one more thing. We talked about the altitude. The altitude of a right triangle.
I guess I wanted to know that.
I know, Will, I lied. Sorry. All right. We said the altitude of a right triangle
Makes all those three equal.
makes all these equal. Okay? You need to remember that too. So if this is 13, then it's 13 and 13.
Oh, that. Yeah.
Okay? It's not complicated.
That's only the altitude of right triangle.
Yes. Only the altitude of a right triangle. All right? All right, and then chapter 7 was, we skipped chapter 6. Chapter 7 was the test we just took, dealing with similar polygons. I'm not going to go into great depth on this. We've just taken a test on it. Remember the symbol for similar? The difference between similar triangles or polygons and congruent is in congruent, all corresponding parts are equal to each other, sides and angles. But in similar, the corresponding angles are congruent while the corresponding sides are proportional. All right? And then remember, we had 3 ways of proving triangles similar. And those 3 ways were
SSSSSAA.
angle similarity postulate, side similarity theorem, and side angle side similarity theorem. All right?
Can you just put the little similarity sign?
That's fine.
Oh,
That's fine.
Wait, we have to put similarity thing?
You have to, if you're talking similar, you have to put similarity. You have to put SIM at least. Because 2 of these are also congruency theorems. All right, so we need to make sure we know the difference.
What are our proofs?
You remember the page number I told you?
Yeah.
Okay, it's using congruent triangles to prove corresponding parts.
Wait, what page?
Whatever page that was. What was it?
130. Yeah, 130.
This eye.
Number 7 or 224. It's one of those 2.
Okay. It's from chapter, you will have a proof from chapter 4, working with congruent triangles. Crescent.
So Are we gonna need to know if there are postulates or theorems?
Okay. Now, I suggest that this is how you prepare. In chapters 4, 5, and 7, that's what the exam is going to cover. Do not go through the chapter and try to start working every single classroom exercise or written exercise. All right? Start with chapter 4 because it's the farthest one from our memory. Do the chapter, read the chapter summary. Try to do the chapter review and the chapter test without looking at the answers. And then check yourself. And whatever you miss, focus on that. Don't focus and spend time on stuff you already know. Once you're good with chapter 4, then move on to chapter 5 and do the same thing. Then move on to chapter 7, which means you can't wait till Monday night to do this. You could do chapter 4 tomorrow. You could do chapter 5 on Sunday. You could do chapter 7 on Monday, and then
Or we
just
could
quickly
just-
go over it.